Good morning, guys. Today we are going to see how to handle pop-ups. How to handle the pop-ups by using WebDriver. So pop-up means it is a child window. Suppose if there is any application is there in this SpiceJet application. In this SpiceJet, you can observe first we have to automate. First I want to click on one-way radio button. So it is normal scenario, clicking on one way. I want to search for tickets from Hyderabad to Bangalore, maybe tomorrow's date. I want to select 3 adults, 2 children, 1 infant. Click on find flights. This is normal scenario. Okay, first we have to handle up to here. We can automate up to here. So clicking on one way radio button, Hyderabad, Bangalore, some date, 3 adults, 2 children. Why? Because in that there are drop downs are there, radio buttons are there, check boxes are there. After that, next we go for to handle this. Whenever we can click on this currency converter, it will open one window. It will open one window. That window is pop-up window. So how to handle that pop-ups? So first we go to handle up to here. Clicking on one way, Hyderabad, Bangalore, some date. 3 drop downs are there. In adults, I want to take 3 adults. I want to take 2 children. This 1 infant. After that, click on find flights. How to handle up to here? So first go to the Eclipse. In this, switch to our workspace. Our workspace is click on browse. So previously we have created one workspace that is available in D folder. Here in this our workspace is this one, workspace 23rd August 2:30 p.m. This is the workspace. Click on OK, then click on OK. It is switched to our workspace. Now already this is the previous programs. Now I want to create a class. How to create a class? It is a WebDriver class. So right click on this WebDriver. Go to new. Click on a class. Give any class name. This is up to find flights one program. After that pop-up I can write one more program. So it is a one-way search. I can make it as a SpiceJet. One-way search is my class name. After that, select public static void main. Then click on finish. So in WebDriver package, one more class is created. So WebDriver is the package. One-way search is the program. This is the main method. So now first I want to create object for the WebDriver class. Public WebDriver is the class. It needs some imports. How to get that? Control space. Select it. Import is imported, object is driver. Next, first one to check the one-way search means I want to open URL. Launch the browser, open the SpiceJet, maximize. For this, I can create one method, public void open URL. After that, to clicking on one-way radio button, Hyderabad, Bangalore, date, adults. All this I can make it as a one more method. That method is public void verify one message. This is the one more method. So now first how to launch URL. How to launch URL. So driver equals to new Firefox driver, control space, select it. Automatically it launches the Firefox. Next I want to open URL. The command is get driver.get. Give the URL spicejet.com. After that I want to maximize driver.manage.window.maximize. Okay, next one message method. So in this one message, first I want to click on that one way radio button. So first I want to take this locator. How to take the locator? Right click on the element, then inspect element with Firebug. It will give the locators. Find out which locator is available there. So in this highlighted section, ID is available. Yes, ID is available. You can copy that. So how to click on that radio button? First one, we want to find that element. How to find? Driver dot find element. Based on by dot ID is available there. Take this ID. So WebDriver is able to find that element by using this ID. After that it is a button. So I want to go for click. This is the way how to click on that one way radio button. After clicking on one way, next I want to take Hyderabad. So here from leaving from I want to take the Hyderabad, but all these values are available in some web table. How to get that web table? By clicking on here, then one table is available. This complete table is called as one web table. In that there are so many values are there. Some Agartala, Ahmedabad, Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, like this. I want to take Hyderabad. So how to get this table? First you can click on here, then only table is available. So find that position, right click, inspect element with Firebug. Which locator is available there? Yes, ID is available there. So I want to click on that. How to click? Driver dot find element by dot ID is available. I want to click it. Click is the command. After clicking on that, my leaving from value is Hyderabad. So take that Hyderabad locator. Take the Hyderabad locator. How to take it? Right click on this Hyderabad, inspect element with Firebug. Which locator is available? Is there any ID is there? No ID. Is there any class? No class. So, but you can observe it is started with a letter, means anchor tag. So any element is started with a letter, anchor tag means it is a link. So we can take that display name. What is the display name? Hyderabad HYD. This is how to click on a link. Same, first find that element, driver dot find element, by dot, which locator we are taking? Link. So we go for link text and take that value Hyderabad HYD. So it is a link, we go for click it. Yes, it is a link, that's why we are clicking on that link. After this Hyderabad, automatically the second table is available. So in going to destination, table is available. Here I want to go to Bangalore. I want to go to the Bangalore. So right click on the Bangalore, inspect element with Firebug. Which locator is available there? ID, no ID, class, no class. Here also the element is started with a letter, anchor tag, means it is also a link. So I am copying link text Bangalore BLR. You can click it. Driver dot find element by dot which locator? Link text. Take as a Bangalore. So link means compulsory, we can click it. Once I am selecting Bangalore, automatically dates are also available. Suppose I want to book a ticket September 15, right click on this 15, inspect element with firebug, which locator is available there. Here class is available. If you want to take span or it is started with again a letter, means it is also links. In this calendar, these dates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all these also called as some links. I want to take this 15. So copy that link. Again link means how to click it. Driver dot find element by dot link text. Double quotes, give that 15. Dot click it. Next one is drop down. Once I am taking some value, yes, here you can observe 3 drop downs are there. Adults, children, infant. In adults I want to take 3 adults, children 2 children, infant 1 infant. So I want to take a value means first I can find this field locator. Right click on the adults drop down, inspect element with firebug, which locator is available there. Here directly ID is available. So you can take this ID. How to select a value from the drop down? So in case of RC, to select a value from the drop down, select is the command. Whereas in WebDriver, new select, we can start with new select. If it is a normal button, text box, links, whatever it is, we are started with driver.findElement. Whereas if it is a drop down, compulsory we go for new select is the command. Within that you can write that command, driver.findElement by dot which locator is available there, ID is available, paste it. Next, so in the drop down there are some values are there, 1 adult, 2 adults, 3 adults, 4, 5, up to 9 values are there. I want to select only 3 adults. So select by visible text, select by visible text. Inside that you can value 3 adults. This is the way how to select values from the drop down. So first this one, next this statement, select visible by text. Next children, here also same process, right click on the children drop down, inspect element with firebug, which locator is available, ID is available there, copy it. So to select a value from the drop down, the command is new select, new select. Within that you can find driver.findElement by dot ID, take that ID, select by visible text. You can take it as a 2 children. That is ID. After that, select visible by text is the command. Next, for infant, for the infant, right click on the infant, inspect element with firebug, which locator is available, ID is available. So again new select driver dot find element by dot ID. In that select by visible text. I want to take 1 infant. This is the way how to select values from the drop down. New select is the command. Inside give the locators. After that select by visible text. Finally, I want to click on that find flights button. So right click on this find flights, inspect element with firebug, which locator is available. Here you can observe ID is available, class is available, or you can take expert anything. So I am taking ID, copy it. So it is a button. How to click it? First find that element, driver dot find element by dot ID, Button means we can click it. So this is the values. First one, I am clicking on one way radio button. Next, leaving from next 23rd statement is Hyderabad. It is a link. After that, Bangalore, some date. Next one is 3 adults. Next, 2 children, 1 infant, find plates. So now, in my class 2 methods are available. Open URL and verify one message. Absolutely. So create an object for this class into main method. Create object, SpiceJet, one message. S is my object, new SpiceJet. Now by using S, you can call those methods S dot open URL, S dot verify one message. Now just I am writing scripting and then I am executing only. Maybe is it execute or not? I don't know. If any problems are there at the time of execution, we can stabilize the script. First, whatever it is there program, you can write it. After that, we can stabilize the script. Now run it. How to run it? Right click on the program, run as Java application. Now it is. It is open the SpiceJet. First, one way you can observe Hyderabad. Is it selected Bangalore? No, it's not selected Bangalore. Why? Because go to the Eclipse, see in the console first line, element is not currently visible. First line you can see. Notice the error is there. Based on error, you can take necessary steps. Element is not currently visible, so may not interacted with. Why? Because observe 37 milliseconds timeout. Okay, so what is the problem is there? So based on that you can write it. Once we leaving from Hyderabad, you can observe it will open the second table. It will take 2 or 3 fraction of seconds time. It will take 2 or 3 fraction of seconds. So in this time, tool does not wait. Tool is executing very fast, but my application is executing some slow. What is the concept? Synchronization. Yes. To open this table, I want to wait some time. We have to provide wait to tool. So where exactly we are using? Yes, after Hyderabad. Here I want to wait just 2 or 3 seconds. So we go for thread dot sleep. Just 2 or 3 seconds. Means I can give 3000. Why this error? Place the cursor. It will give the solution. Add throws declaration, or we can handle by using try catch blocks. So up to now we didn't explain the try catch. So simply we can add throws exception to the method. So this is our method. Here you can add throws exception. Now see one more also. After Bangalore, again the calendar is opening. It will take some time. So after clicking on that Bangalore also, we need to wait some time. Again we can give thread dot sleep 3 seconds. So whenever the method throws an exception, we are calling this method into main method. So automatically, yes, it is also throws an exception. We can add throws declaration, throws exception. Now save it, run it. Right click on the program and run as Java application. It will execute. First it will launch SpiceJet. Yes, it is opening the SpiceJet application, maximized. So again you can observe, I am closing this window. It is stopped. Why? Because page is not open. It will give unable to look at that element. First one, radio button is not available. Yes, right click and run as Java application. It is opening the SpiceJet.